Welcome to the Live Binders tutorial. Live Binders is a digital binder to store and organize all of your online content and learning. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a new live binder, customize a live binder, create a new shelf, and store a live binder in a shelf. Let's get started. Before we get started, make sure you are logged into the Live Binders website. Sign up for free or click the menu item to upgrade. So now that you are logged in, let's go over the rest of the top menu. The Home button will always bring you back to this page. The Features link will display the best live binders that have been created by other users. The My link is where you will go to create your live binder. Let's click the My link and start to build our first live binder. To create a new binder, click on the New Binder icon. Name your binder, type in a description, and decide if you want your binder to be public or private. Click Create New Binder to continue. Your binder starts out with 3 tabs. Each tab can have content. The content can be a web page, text that you type, an uploaded document, or embedded multimedia. For this example, we'll just copy and paste a link to add a web page. Click the Insert button to connect the web page to your tab. Click on the tab and start typing to rename the tab. Click on Tab 2. Rename the tab. Click the red arrow to display additional menu options. Select Add New Subtab. Rename your subtab. On the Sports tab, click Content. Select what you wish. You can upload files, add text, or insert content. For this example, we'll select Add Text. Select the text layout you prefer. Select Click here to edit. Use the editor to type in text. Use the toolbar and menu to adjust text size, font style, and color. Add an image by clicking Insert Image. When you are done, select Save. Click Settings to change binder name, description, or author. Also, you can adjust permissions and change the look and feel of your binder. Click Share to link to the binder or to link to a specific tab. Click on My Binders to get back to your dashboard. You can create a storage unit for your binders called a shelf. This allows you to organize your binders. For example, you may want to create a shelf to keep all your history binders together. To create a shelf, click New Shelf. Type in a name and a description for your new shelf. Then click Create Shelf. On one of your binders, select the Options button. Select Add to Shelf. Select a shelf from the drop-down menu. In this example, we'll select our new shelf. Click the Add button, and that's it. You just stored your binder in a new shelf. You have come to the end of the Live Binders tutorial. You learned how to create a new live binder, customize a live binder, create a new shelf, and store a live binder in a shelf. I hope you found the information in this tutorial useful.